Hola. Hola, so. Yeah, then, in the last time, the new thing we learned is this particle, right? Ki, kakiku ki, right? Mm. We have 5 of them, right? Yuongla has made a song and sent it in the group. Ruba? Ruba? So that one, Ruba? Hmm? I heard that song. That's Ruba? Vire. So today we're gonna practice some sentence including this. Akosma. That's all. Then tangbo sonam dulkar thang pema chimbala in. Ruba? Sonam Dragala will read the question and Pema Jimbala will answer. Akosma.
Akosma.
That's all. Try Chiruna.
Okay. Keran tepoin pe.
Na tepoyen tukcheche.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You can try.
Keran suin.
Na tema jimpayen.
Fair.
Keran kaner in.
Na Zimbabwe niyin.
Keran ki tokpo sure.
Nge drokpo jamchupre.
Keran ki tokpo kanere. Keran ki tokpo kanere.
Pema Jimbala. Hello. Ale Chikchana Pema Jimbala ki internet yosamare.
On internet problem.
I will answer this on behalf of Pema Jimbala.
Okay.
Nge tropo Zimbabwe ne re. Something like this. Akosma. Olas. Yeah, tine dilorona.
Pardi karere.
Par di jikten re. Par di cheten mare. Jikten re. Something like this. Ruba?
Tichu karere.
Ditso tep re. Ditso tep re. Something. Peago. Agosma sonam dogala. Tujiche. Peago. Something like this. Agosma. Hola so. Peago. Then, yeah. Francois Lucky, Loki in, and Yuan Lucky, Len Jackie in.
Okay. Kierang te poin pe.
Nga tepoyin.
Kierang suyin.
Nga Yongyin.
Okay. Kierang ki kane yin.
Ki mare kerang kane yin. Ruba yanker.
Kierang kane yin.
Nga Thailand ne yin.
응?
계란기 troppo 술에
응?
Nghĩ troppo tháng nói rê.
빼고.
어, 어, 계란기 troppo canere
응?
Nghĩ troppo Bangkok nè rê.
빼고.
어,
뱅콕 네. 몰랐어. 응? 알았어. 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 아니, 딜로로나. 응? 프랑코이스라 데. 디도.
오케이. pardi carere
Bao đi
음,
chiếc tên rê.
어, 직된데. 빼고. 아니?
어, dicho carere
응?
Đi cho tiếp rê.
빼고. 빼고.
음흠.
어? 빼고. 송송. Now, you want la. 계란기 족보 labna male friend reba. 족모 labna female friend re. 아고스마.
Trục mô.
응?
Yes, Hàng nói is female.
아고스 라스. 좋아? 응? 아고스 라스 라스. 근데 야 프랭코스라 if I ask you 계란기 족모 수레.
계란기 troppo sure
응?
nghe troppo troppo Maria
응?
sure
Su is the question. You say 니 족모.
아,
응? 마리아.
nghe troppo Mariare
That's it.
음,
아고스마. 니 족모 마리아레. 아니
오케이.
계란기 족모 가네레.
계란기 troppo canere Euh, nghe troppo France nere.
프랑스 네레. 계란기
France
족모 라바시 데 주동 네레베.
What?
The France is a place in France. Right? Hmm?
Ah, okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Nie lub truk chic. No. France ne.
Nere.
No.
France nere. Ah,
Con la baside judon nere. Hmm?
mhm.
Hmm? That's all. Hmm. That's all. Fair, fair. Big song. Now here, when we look at here, Kerang Su Yin. Right? It is very weird question. Agosma. We don't say this question usually. Agosma. But we learn this. Agosma. Because in English we say, who are you? Ruba? We don't say this question. Ruba? Even if I meet someone, I don't ask their name. But this is now we starting the lesson. So we started it. Agosma. If you have to know the name, it is better to say, Akosma, I will show you here. Ruah, olas. Ya ruyunla dilorona.
계란기 민카레인
That's it. Fair. Akosma. So when you have a difficulty in fluency, remember, when you cannot say it fast, you can try like this. 가리인, 민 가리인, 계란기 민 가리인, something like this. You can build up. How goes, huh? Now here, Ming is name. How goes, name. How goes, oh yeah, Ming name re. Ming labna name re. Now, keranki name, yours. Remember, we have here particle, grammar particle. keranki Ming kariyin. Remember? Something like this. You wanna try? Ruinla. You wanna try answer this? keranki Ming kariyin.
니 맹 로윤인.
That's it. Nye Ming Ruyun Yin. Remember? Nye Ming remember? Ruyun Yin. Something like that. Remember? I'm not saying this is correct one. It's just sound translated. 이 말이다. Ming Ruyun Yin. Remember? Something like that. Now you can say Ming Sonam Durga Yin, Ming Imogen Yin. Remember? Ming Pedro Yin, Ming Pema Jimba Yin, Ming Tawa Yin, Dangna Yin, anything. How goes, Sometimes we have a sentence like true grammar particle, this one, delta connection particle. Remember? Something like my sister's younger brother name. Remember? Something like this. How was all just true. Yours, friend's name. Remember? Something like this. How about keranki Ming kariyin. Now here, keranki chokmo sure. Instead of sure, you can ask their name. Remember? keranki chokmo. When you say mo, jenjuk yomare, suffix yomare. Remember? Suffix, there is no suffix. So you use no suffix e, remember you only. Something like this. No suffix or a suffix, e or e. Remember? Then we put here akiku e. Remember? Chokme, chokme, o and e mixed together ö. Chokme. How goes ma narumo o and akikui e. O e ö. Like how goes something like this. Like this. How goes 적물, friends, 민, 봐봐. 가리리. 하고서 계란기 적물 민 가리리. 봐봐. 빼고. 그래서 근데야 루윤라기 로로나 ini Pedro lagi lain jabrona. Pedro la answer chirona. Baso.
걔랑 대부인배.
na depoin.
걔랑 기민 가레인.
ne mink Pedroin.
Huh?
계란 카네인.
Ne Portugal nein.
Na.
Na Portugal nein.
Huh?
계란 기촉 무민 카레이레.
Huh?
Ne Trukmu Andre in.
Ye
No.
trok ming
Ne Trukmu mink Andre Re.
oh, there is no ming. It's just ming. How goes na? How goes na? Hola, Pedrola. Nge trok ming Andrea Ray. Something like that.
Andrea Re. Okay. Okay.
Yang sungtan.
Okay. Ne Trukmu and min. No. Ne Trukmu min Andrea Re.
That's it. Riba? Yeah.
계란 기촉 촉보 카네이레.
Ne Trukpu Portugal ne Re.
Something like that. Fair. 그렇지. 하고서 올라서 빼고 송송. 야, 되네. 타날라인다. 타날라. 응? 타날라 다시 델레이크.
Tachitelek Chansila.
델레이크. 타날라 페드로라 카네레.
Pe 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 kong 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 Portugal neyin.
네 레.
Nere. Kong Portugal nere.
콩 포르투갈 네레. 빼고. 그봐? 아니 계란키 족물 민 가리레.
Kong kong
계란 타날라. 계란키 족물 민 가리레. This is for you.
okay. Nghe nghe thuộc mơ miếng đang nói rể.
그봐? 하고 아니 페드로키 족물 민 가리레.
Pe pe tô ký thuộc mơ miếng ăn rể.
안드레아 레스.
Andrea rể.
빼고 송송. 라서. 아니 계란키 족모 가네레.
Nghe thuộc mơ Thailand rể.
할렌네. 빼고 송송. 두지치. 가나라. 라서 디네 당노일라긴. 당노일라 타시델레이크.
Tachitelek
라서 당노일라 계란키 족보 이용라 레베.
Re.
예 족.
Nghe thuộc po Yiong Re.
빼고. 라서 아니 루윤라 가네레.
Luyula China Nere.
알레 라서. 라서 아니 팡팡라 가네레.
Phong la Thailand Nere.
빼고. 라서 라서 아니 계란키 족보 가네레.
Nghe thuộc po Buriram Nere.
Something like that. 하고 올라서 계란키 족무 민 가리레.
Nghe thuộc mơ Minh Phong Re.
이 족무 민 팡팡. Fang New York ne rebe.
Mare Fang Thailand nere.
Something like this. Fair was something. Tujiche. Naso Dawala Tashi the lake.
Taşı diletin zinla.
Tashi the lake Dawala. Dawala. Yung la ki chokme min karire.
어, 이온기 쪽모밍 랑노이레
Fair. Tang noila Australia ne rebe.
당노일라 아우스트랄리아네 마레 콩 테이류율네레 타이율네레
Tayul ne re. Reba.
타이율네레
Fair. Laso hakoson. Fair. Ani Kiranki chokme min karire.
니 쪽모밍 소남돌카레
Ale laso. Kiranki lame min karire.
니 라마밍 샤키야무니레
Lame. Reba. Ma akikui. Reba. Lame.
니 라메 밍 샤키야무니레
Shakyamuni re.
Or maybe Tsen in this case. Nye Lame Tsen Shakyamunire.
Reba. Now instead of Kiranki Trokmo, Kiranki Lama, Kiranki Balak, Kiranki Amalak, Kiranki Achak, Kiranki Chocho, Reba. Kiranki Gegen, Kiranki Rimbuchi, Reba. Kiranki Science Gegen, Kiranki Inji Gegen, that means anything. How goes ma? Something like this. So, Dangnoila. Imogen.
Tenzin La, may I have a question?
Yes, yes.
Can I, Amit, don't use the second key. Can I just say Kiranki Chokpo min karere? Not just Kiranki Chokpe min karere. Kiranki Chokpo min karere. Kiranki Lama min karere.
But that's grammatically you are making mistake. But I understand it. I understand what you are saying. Message is went through. But grammatically will be wrong.
I mean that I cannot skip the first kakiku key. I cannot say Kirang Chokpo min karera. It's totally incorrect. It's not understandable. Kirang Chokpo min karera. Kiranki Chokpo min karera.
You have to say this. Really. The second one, if you don't say it, you can understand it, but it's still grammatically incorrect.
So it's better to say Kiranki Chokpe min karere.
That's it.
Kiranki Lame min karere.
That's it. So it's like me speaking English. I going. Something like this. I going, I eating, mok now. Something like this. Olas. So we have to focus on where to use this. Make habit. Keranki chokme, keranki lame, keranki palaki ming, keranki amalaki ming, keranki chocho ki ming. Something like this. That's all. Yeah, then Imogenla inda. Imogenla Dilodan. Can you read this?
Keranki Minkare Yen.
That's it. Naming Tenzin Thesam Yin. Something. What? Imogenla Diloro
Kerankane Yen.
Nga Pene Yin. Something like. Ani Dilodan.
Keranki Truk Mui Minkare.
Nge Chokme Ming Pemare. Dermare. Something like that. What?
Keranki Trukpo Kanere.
Nge Chokpo Penere, Jagarnere, Kathmandu, Europe, Ari, anyway. Akosma, you can say.
Kusum
Something like
Diche.
Payable. Payable also. You read well. Imogen That's all. So something like this. Akosma, Keranki Ming Kariyin. Nge Ming. Something like this. So today we're gonna learn a new question word. Akosma, we already know Su. We already know this Su. Now, if we add a connection particle, Su. Akosma, Su. Okay? The Su, Lapna, whose. Perna, tep the Su Re. Something. Whose book is this? Something like that. Or instead of that, Kapar di. This phone. Whose phone is this? Kapar di Sure. Head di Sure. Something like this. How goes it? Su. Now when you say Tep di, book this Sure, whose is? Book this whose is? How goes now? Whose book is this? Something like that. Instead of book, you can say Kapardi. Phone. Kapardi Tire. Something. How goes now? If it's yours, no. Then you can say Hep di ni re. If it is Konki re. For your, you can say Tep di yin. For others, you can say Tep di Konki re. Something like that. Now, instead of Kong, for the third person, you can straight say name. Tep di Yong Kire. Tep di Sonam Joga Kire. Tep di Ruyun Kire. Something like that. Instead of Kong, if you want to be specific, name out. What? For the third person. Something like this. How goes now? So full answer is like this. Tap the tap in. This book is my book. Something like this. Riba? So you don't have to say tap tap again. So you can get rid of the second one. Straight, you can say, this book is mine. How goes on? Instead of saying, this book is my book, you can shortcut, this book is mine. How goes on? Tap in. If it's his, tap the konkire. This book is his. Shortcut. Long cut. This book is his book. Tap the konki tap re. How goes on? Long cut. Shortcut. Tap the konki re. Something like this. How goes on? Now you see, whoever the book is related, connected, or in terms of English language belong to, you can see after that, you can see the particle. Particle is always after that, whoever belong to, or connected to. His, hers, Sonam Dalkar's, Ruyun's, Pedro's, Tawas, Fangfang's, Fangfang Ki, Pekela. Something like this. Now, if I ask Ruyun, Rashid Dalek, Ruyun La, if I ask you, Kapar di Sure,
Kapati Genla Kire.
that's it. Kapar di Genla Kire. Or you can say Tenzin Kire. Or you can say Kerang Kire. As a pronoun, you know, Kerang for your. Kerang ki, yours. Something like this. Well, Kabar di Suri, Kabar di Kerang Kire, or Tenzin Kire. If I ask you, Kabar di Kerang Kire pe,
Ming.
or
Kabar
you can also say Mare, no problem.
Sorry, is it Mare or is it Ming?
Both are okay.
Okay.
How goes ma? Nge Mare or Nge Ming, anything. How goes ma? In this case. How goes ma? Peo. Kabar di Kerang Kire pe.
Kapati Ni Mare.
That's it. Kabar di Kerang Ki Yin pe.
Kapati Ni Ming.
That's it. Something like that. How goes me? How to answer and question. How goes ma? For example, if I found this money, will this sure, something like that. Whose money is this? Will this sure, Then whoever belongs to will say, oh, tujiche. Something like this. How goes me? How goes ma? Now we have here sure, ngere, konkire, kerankire, tenzinkire, dolmakire. Anything. How goes ma? Yeah, Sonam Dogala in that. Sonam Dogala. Sonam Dogala. Kapar di. Sure.
Ki Keran ki re.
That's it. Very good. Kabardi keranki. Ah, kabardi keranki maripe.
Mare. Kabar di kran kire.
keranki res. Nge mare. Kabardi nge mare. Now here, when we actually use question word su, whose, right? Now, tabdi konki re is an answer, it's a statement. If you put just pasape, it become question, right? tabdi konki repe, kapardi keranki repe, tabdi konki repe. How goes it? You see the how it becomes question here? Repe, is it? Marepe, isn't it? Something like this. How goes it? So now, Kapar di Michael Jackson ki marepe.
Mare. Kabar ki Michael Jackson ki mare. Kabar ki kran ki repe.
Keran ki re.
Re. Kran ki re.
Or you say Kapar di, this.
Kabar di kran ki re.
That's it. Very good. When you say kerang, kayata kyadengbo ketaki, rang, the suffix is nga.
Isko kikuki.
That's it. Tapasaki kanga ki. Something like this. Yung song is very helpful here. Lasso. Tapasaki kanga ki. That's it. Keranki. Now we know how to use this. Keranki, konki. Now instead of women, you can also say Germany ki, Europe ki, America ki. Same.
Can you give example, full sentence?
For example, Höki yak. Höki yak.
Oh, okay. Yes, I remember.
For example, Europe ki. Me. Let's make sentence. Kong Europe ki mires. Something like that. Or the Europe ki Hurre. Attend from Europe. The Europe ki Hurre. Something. Or you can say the Nangchu ki Pechare. Scripture. The Buddhist scripture. The Nangchu ki Pechare. How goes me? Not only for my, his, hers, you can say anything. How goes me? Something like that. Okay? Now this is we use this a lot. That's why I'm saying you cannot say this is just possession. It's not possession. If you say it's connection, then it's much broader. Connection. Dawala, mute, mute. Something like this. Not only my, his, hers. You can say Europe ki, Nangshu ki, or hair's color. Something like this. How goes me? So we have learned here today, su. Repe and marepe, we already know this. Su. Hola. Tene anzu dezo hakogiruba. Charpa, pecha, langchen. Chuten, jikten. Pecha. Hola. Before that, we will learn. Okay, yeah. Tine ionla inda. Tashidelek ionla. Dilota, yeah.
Tashidelek. Kế. Kế kiên. Kế kiên. Lốp. Rụp. Rụp. Rụp trúc.
Perro. Lop truk. Gegen plus lop truk. So we have a word also, gallop here. How about now you see? It means teacher and student. How about now? Gallop. Gallop. Gegen thang lop truk. Gallop. Something like that. Gallop. How about now? So, then yeah, Pedro la inda, Pedro la. Pedro la dilothan, yeah.
Papa,
Yeah.
ama,
Or palak, amalak, or apa, ama, chipare. Now, what do you think together? In English, we have a parent. Let's guess.
Hama,
That's it. Kama. That's it. Ha, ma,
Pama.
Parents. Kama. Pair. So, now here, this is a little bit wrong here. This should be, okay, it's okay. Take a look. This should be actually ke yik. Yakigu yika yik. Something like this. Instead of cha here, it should be yakigu yika yik. Ruba. Okay. Why I'm saying is Yik means language. Agosuma. Sakatankata ke yakiku yikka yik. Yik means language. Kecha means talk. Agosuma. So it's two different things. Agosuma. Now, yeah. Pedro Lainda. Pilota.
Who, who, Kenik,
Yik.
Kenik, Keik,
This one. Yakiku yikka yik. Agosuma.
Keik,
That's it. Now, together,
Poik,
or
Poik,
or
Po, Poki,
Pöke.
Okay.
Sakataka take. Pöke. Tibetan language. Pögik. Tibetan letter. How goes something like Pöke, Pögik. How goes Pöke. Pöke yapo jong Pögik yapo jong Both means Tibetan language. You can say Pöke or Pögik. K is more towards speaking, Yik is more towards writing. Something like K literal means sound. Sound. And shape is the letter. Sound and shape. Together, language. Keyik. Lasso. Then we have here, Apa Yul. Fang Fang La in the. Yeah.
Payul. Payul.
Payul. In Tibetan culture, they say fatherland instead of motherland. Something like this. In other cultures, we say motherland, mother tongue. But in the Asia, we say Tibet, fatherland, father tongue, we say. In Tibet. I don't know in Thailand and China, what they say. Do they say fatherland or motherland? Or do they say father tongue or mother tongue?
Motherland.
Thailand la motherland la gire los. Hela fatherland la gire. Chetsam payul agotuna yul country. Payul. Fair. So, then ya Pang Pang la diloro nang.
Okay. Lốp. Lốp lại vào. Phá là tạc tra sạc chu ka lốp chúc lốp chúc tape. So it's gonna tape. It's gonna be lốp tape. Okay. Lốp tape.
Lốp tape.
Yeah.
Textbook. Lốp tape. From textbook we learn. Lốp tape. So something like spare. Then I tang noela in the. Yeah, tang noela.
Sha Gangpa. 강바.
자, 강바, rồi. Ini là Thằng nói là cha khang ba 가르래.
샤강.
Cha khang tea house, which means cafe, right? Place where you have tea, coffee, and like this. Of course, cha khang, something like this. Of course, fair. Yeah, tene di inda. Imogen la inda. Dilota.
Puja. Puja.
That's it. Pecha, right? I don't know whether you have tasted or not. Some people like it, some don't. But it's not sweet. It's salty. Many people think it's sweet, and as soon as they taste it, they don't like it. So, pecha. Yeah, they need to try it. Imogen la, try it.
Vakata kanga kangpa au kanaro ko lanaro lo kangpa kolo.
You want to make a word for bicycle here? Try it. Try, let's take kang and this one together.
Kangkol.
That's it. Kangkol. Tapos nga, rakataka nga kang au ka naroko rakor. Pit wheel. Diba? Kangkol. Tapos nga, something like this. Kangpa, pit. Korlo, wheel. Diba? There. Kangkol. So you can see, when you see Tibetan word, you can break them down and you see how the word formed here. How goes one? Something like this. Ruba? That's it. Ruba? So we already learned kare, kane, su, su. Ruba? We already learned this question, repe, marepe. Ruba? Then we have today new katsu, katsu. How goes one? Ka, 차, 나루초, 다, 추, 가추. How many? How much? How many? How much? You can use in this both term. You can use it as a how many. You can use it as a how much also. Now, in terms of how many or how much, I don't know. We have a we ask time, we use this question. We have here. Dawalaya dilota.
Chutsu, katsure.
Chutsu, katsure. That's it. Chu,
주소 который.
chu means level, water level. Together it means time. Something like this. Okay? Chutsu katsure. That's it. Katsu. How many is the time? We don't say what is the time. We say how many is the time. Chutsu katsure.
주소 который.
That's it. So if it's the 1 o'clock, we say 당보, 당아 당, 빠나르보, 당보, 추추 당보래.
Тампоре.
If it's 2 o'clock, we say 니빠. We already know ni for 2, right? 니빠. That's it. We don't say jikpa, okay? Actually, jik is 1, but for 1 o'clock, we say 당보. Which means first o'clock. 당보. 추츠 당보. Then we have 추츠 니빠. Similarly, 숨빠, 시빠, ngapa, 주빠, 든빠, 개빠, 구빠, 주빠, something like that. Okay? 추츠 당보, 니빠, 숨빠, 시빠, ngapa, 주빠, 든빠, 개빠, 구빠, 주빠, something like this. Okay? Now if I ask, Dawala, 우르술라 추츠 가츠레. 가츠레.
루소 게포 요래. 주소 만포 요래.
Let's say it's 2 o'clock. Let's say it's 5 o'clock.
우루술라 주소 나파 래.
Right now we don't need to know urusula. We need to know chutsu ngapa re. That's it. That's how it goes. Chutsu katsu re. Chutsu ngapa re. Chutsu tangpo re. Tangpo, 1 o'clock. Don't say chutsu jikpa. It's not jikpa. How goes? Tangpo. Chutsu tangpo re. Something. How goes? Fair. Very good. Then in the next class we will learn 1 past 10 minutes. 1 past 20 minutes, something like that. That we will learn in the next class. Till then, please practice the connection particle. And then some reading and speaking practice. That's all. We are doing very good. Thank you for coming. Tujiche, Trashid Delek, Boom Boom Shagalaka.
Chichi, Tashi Delek.
President-elect.
President-elect. Thank you.
다시 붐붐 genla.
Boom.
우지치. 자마젤령.
Tujiche.
우지치.
Okay.